guys, this is an update now on my today's update for my melon planting. So guys, I have here now lot of melon fruits. So this is my first experiment of doing planting melon. So I make six raised bed here. Actually, this is the first raised bed. So you will see already some melons, and I can no longer cross in between this raised bed because it will I'm afraid to damage the vine. This is clinging the melon. Now I have lot of melons here now. See, it is now actually this started fruiting 3 weeks ago, so means June. So now I have that melon here, lot of melons. Actually this bed maybe produces more than 100 melons. So here on this vicinity you can see there also, you can see. So this is the second raised bed, third raised bed. So I did not because I planted this actually I do the planting. So planting on this bed takes me time. So preparing another bed takes me time. So there is a gap of around probably a week for this 3 beds, then another week. So this is the first bed. So now I got here, you can see here, there, lot of melons here. So it's bigger now. Oh, I can see here more than a kilo. Maybe more than a kilo this one. See? Guys, I'm happy really. See here alone, I can see 6, 7, 8 here in this area. I can see 10. Oh yeah, 11. See that area only a small, I think 2 square meters. I got 12 about going there. So it's difficult for me now to cross because I will damage the vine. The vine, guys. So I'm now here in this field of melons. Guys, a very beautiful morning here. Now I am now in the fields of my melon. I show you before that melons here. So this is the update. Actually I planted this in the beginning of May. So this is almost 2 months now. So I got already the fruits. So if you count the maturity of the melon as per the gaggle, it takes 75 to 75 to 100 days. So you can harvest. So I cannot figure out, guys, which is first. So I will only do some signs. I will show you here now some tips according to some bloggers. I will actually I will demonstrate how I will identify my melons are already ripe. But we will do the actual when time comes, because from fruiting, when you see the small I will show you now, just a minute. Guys, better I will show you when you found from fruiting. This one is small compared to this, more than a kilo. This one now, maybe a kilo, more than a kilo. Two is beside, three is beside here. See, this is the joy, guys, of planting. Now, this one probably a week now from fruiting, so probably 5 days to 7 days. So we will count 75 days, start 75 or 70 days the maturity on this, so it will be ripe. So regarding my melons, so I can no longer make some which is first, which is last. So we need some we'll see here, this is a big also. I try to pass this I have here also a big. You know, guys, if you see here, I have grasses now. I am no longer taking the grasses. Grasses will also help these melons as cover. So between this raised bed, earlier it is very clean. I put some rice, what we call this, rice hay. So next step, how we will identify when the melon is ripe. So according to one blogger, you need to see this one, guys. This one, the the top of the, I will see this. Where is my finger? Okay, this one should be brown, means it is dried out. So that is actually the signs that this will already ripe. So we look forward that guy. This is an update for today. Actually, I am in the middle of my melon. So here, there also I cannot pass there. So the leaves I don't want, so I let it grow. So many also there. So here in one plot, probably this is 30 meters, 30 or 35 meters. I got already 100 of this melon. See? Melon, a melon. And even here, covering from the grasses. Oh, what's that? Not a snake. It's difficult. It's a frog. And there is a frog. Snakes will be behind it. And be careful. So here, see, it is covered, guys. See, it is covered, so that's good. But melons, guys, as another tip from growers, from goggles, melons should be exposed. Actually, I want to cover this melon like this to cover, because today is hot, might be it will damage, but see guys here, to cover it under advice, expert advice. We need some experts to guide us here, guys. I'm still learning on planting melon. I am trying to portray if really this is sustainable, giving returns to those following me in my blog. You can really imagine now, if a 35 meters raised bed, and you produces already more than hundreds of melon. So the market now, and I will just think an average 1 kilo per the melon. So I got more than 100, and the market now is 15 pesos right now, and it is fluctuating, but I will go for the lowest price, get price of 10 pesos. So with this 100 times 10, so I have already 1,000 pesos. But that is not the way, that is the less I calculate, guys, because 1 melon will close also 2 kilos, more than 2 kilos. So this one will produce me, will give me returns for 35 meters, average 2,000 pesos. So nobody will give you 2,000 pesos nowadays, guys. So that is the truth. So that is the meaning of sustainability. If we concentrate this, guys, planting, like I have 6 rows here. So I calculate 100 per rows times just a minute, my friend. Actually, you need an actor for explaining. So 6 rows, 35 meters every rows, and average 30 to 35, and then each row will produce 100. Then the market price, I will say my get price is 10 pesos. So how much ROI for me in the time will I harvest? So maturity of melon will be 70 to 80, so 70 to 100, we'll say like that. So roughly 3 months. Once I show you that small melon fruit, from planting another a month, so that is 4 months. In 4 months time, in one row, if I got 100 each row, 35 meters raised bed, so I'll got 1,000 for 1 kilo. but hopefully this will reach to above. So average, I will say, because I just estimate 100, but actually in 2 square meter, so 2 from 2 meters I got already 12. So that is the, I see from there, I count, that is 2 meters, from that 12 melon fruits. So this is 35 meters divided by 2, that is roughly divided by 15, or I just say 16 times 12. So that is really the maximum approximate. I got 200. 16 times 12. Oh, that is big. How much that one? I need to review my brain as a retiree is already not smart of calculation. So how much that one? Just 15 by 15 is 225. Yeah, 15 by 15. Yeah. Wala, 10, 150. Okay, 225. This is 16 by 12. So I will just show you 200. Less 200 kilos times 10. So 2,000. That is for 1 kilo. So that is my estimation. 2,000 times 6 bread, 6 bed. So 12,000 in 4 months. So nobody will give you that is the get price. If my wife will sell, because the seller from 1 for the get price of 10, they are also selling it to 15. So 5 pesos in your 10. So they are very smart than the farmer. That is the way, the life of a farmer. If you are selling them for them, they will buy only 8 to 10, or that is, and they will also have this economics like supply and demand. Or that is the, guys, I'm not talking for that. This is really the upset of a farmer. When the supply is much, the price is low. Hoping I get the market when so this is only 10 to 15. How about other crops? But I've seen some bloggers, because of the melon planting, it was a lady. She became a millionaire for this. Think of that. That is only not 6 rest bed, maybe 100 rest bed. So for now, I am making integrated farming. So hopefully this is because this is the beginning. My rest bed will last long. So after a season on this, when I clean again this one, plant again, so make another rest bed. So we will see the process. So this vlog, this vlog is really to, because may umahan ni Kiloy, we aim for sustainability in farming. How we can sustain, especially now I have no job. I retired very early because of COVID-19. I don't know. I want to work, but my age already reached for vulnerability of this disease. Actually, few days ago I celebrate my 50th birthday. So I'll be a farmer now. Proud farmer actually. Life is enjoying here, guys. Only bothering me is the finances. Of course, everybody, when your uh, your savings is gone, drain or whatever, your what we call the buffer zone of your finances is becoming low. I think so. You got hit by worry. But God, really, how I will worry. I pass the time when I have to plan for this. I own this farm. That is the advantage. I did not capitalize for like loan for this. Still from my pocket. So in return, there is ROI. Actually, when you, as a farmer, as I learn, guys, when you have patience, your perseverance, there is one word that what they call it, you will pursuing it. This is my dream when I was working abroad, when I always thinking what I will do when I lost my job. This is it now. This is the reality. I'm happy also that one. You see, that's my farmhouse. I have a lot of plants now. This is development from 5 months, 5 to 6 months. I plant this one. See, that is the banana. So guys, thanks to all of you who like my vlog. Guys, this is my planting melon in the farm. And thank you for watching. Hoping so you will watch my next video in the future. I already show you the tips to know. It is already, I did not still this is from the books or from the bloggers, how to identify melon is already ripe. And also Google is generous enough, some bloggers also, Google is generous enough to give me information that from a small fruit, it takes 70 to 70 to 100 days. It will mature, it will be ripened and ready for harvest. So thanks all of you. Keep watching. Happy farming to all. God bless us all.